Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to build the Ocean Fisher Gravity Swing from Rokr. It's a gravity powered swing with beautiful wood detailing and some really clever mechanics. So let's get this unboxed and see what we have in here. Here's our instructions. We have got just over 4 wooden sheets, and I say just over 4 wooden sheets because these two pieces aren't a full piece, and altogether we have got 161 pieces. We have got 3 really nice looking metal pieces. We have got 6 silicone stickers right here. We have got a piece of sandpaper. And in this little bag, there's not much in there, but I can feel the weight of it. And by the end of this video, I will give you my thoughts about the build and the actual model. And if you enjoy videos like this one, please make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you enjoy wooden models like this one especially, head over to Rokr/Robotime website. There's a link in the video description and the comment section, and make sure you use my promo code Martins15 to receive 15% off on everything. And let's get started. All done, everybody. And let me tell you, what an amazing assembly this was. Incredibly relaxing. So this whole pendulum model is supposed to relax you, but the actual build is really relaxing and so easy and straightforward as well. It's quite incredible. Just look at all the colours around the boat and all the details. I absolutely love it. Especially the fish. Look at that. That is actually quite smart. Even the actual pendulum right at the bottom, right here, it just looks really nice and neat. Even the base, see that dark blue colour? That's one of my favourite colours and it just suits me perfectly. And that globe right in the middle there just makes it look really quite awesome. And of course, don't forget about the actual sides around the base. It looks incredible. And you know what else is also amazing? Obviously, this little drawer with our little wee compass in there. Another really quite smart thing about this design that I like is that, see this side where that drawer is? It looks exactly the same as all the other sides, so you don't really know where the drawer is. You kind of have to go around and test them all. I kind of absolutely love it. The one thing about the build I will mention is that you should use your own tool that has like a small pointy tip at the top, because that will help you to push out especially the smaller pieces. There is a tool in the kit, but that's for pushing in the sleeves in the right place, and you could use it for bigger pieces, but for the smaller ones, something like this will be way better. And the last thing, but not the least, is I absolutely love how this boat just gets placed on the top. It doesn't have to be attached to anything, and that is it. I think that is really quite smart mechanics from Rokr. And then, simply to make it work, we pull the pendulum back and let go and watch magic in action, and it's quite stunning. I don't know if you knew, but Rokr does have another incredibly similar pendulum that is called the... And I don't know if you knew, but Rokr has another pendulum that's basically kinda exactly the same, but at the top we have an airplane, and it's called the Sky Captain. And if you fancy any of those, make sure you go and check them out. I've got a link in the description and the comments section, and remember to use my promo code Martins15 to receive 15% off on everything. Or if you prefer Amazon, I've got a link for that down below as well, but the promo code does not work on Amazon. And I so hope you have enjoyed this video. I think this has been an absolutely incredible model. If you're studying or working, just pop it in the corner of the table, pull it back and just chill out. And make sure you leave a like for this video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching. I shall see you all next time. Bye for now.